Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now when it comes to healthy recipes, this particular dish is an absolute winner. Now today I'm going to share this delicious green gram curry. Now green gram is rich in protein and it's got a lot of nutrients, it's very filling and it also aids in weight loss. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the green gram curry, I've soaked about half cup of dried green gram. So you can see these have been soaking overnight, it's plumped up beautifully. So first I'm going to pressure cook this. Transfer the soaked green gram to a pressure cooker. Pour enough water so it's completely immersed. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Cook the green gram for about 1 to 2 whistles on medium flame. Take a nice white kadai or a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 2 teaspoons of oil. To the pan, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asparagus powder. Next, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 3 green chilies chopped, next add a few curry leaves. So we're not going to brown the onions, just saute them till they're a nice golden color. The curry leaves are optional, so if you don't have them, don't worry about it, you can also do it without the curry leaves. So now that the onions have turned to a nice golden color, I'm just going to add 1 heaped teaspoon of pound ginger and garlic. The freshly pounded ginger and garlic will give an excellent flavor. So I've added about 3 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. So once the tomatoes have become nice and mushy, I'm going to add all the spice powder, starting with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Just mix everything together. Now you can adjust the spice according to your taste. If you like it a little spicy, you can add a little extra chili powder, otherwise this will be sufficient, because we've also added the green chilies to give it a bit of a heat. Just cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the cooked green gram. So you can see it's cooked beautifully, it's very soft. Literally, I think it's going to literally melt in your mouth. So just going to add 1/2 cup of water. So add about 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder. So let it simmer for about 5 minutes till everything comes together. This is a very easy recipe and this green gram is full of protein. So finally add some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove and serve this delicious green gram curry with some nice chapati, roti or even rice. There you go, here is the simple yet delicious green gram curry that you can enjoy with roti, chapati, phulkas or even rice. So do try the recipe, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys.